Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I am going to show you how to change your handling notification if desired and what the difference between the two of them are. So it's pretty simple. Really can happen two ways. Any user can do it by going to their icon, going to my profile, and then right here in preferences, you can toggle between handle and Odoo and handle and emails. If you have handle and Odoo on, you'll still get these notifications here that show up on what looks like a clock, but you'll also get messages here in this discuss chatter. If you have handle and emails on, you'll continue to get these notifications, but instead of the other notification coming in this discuss chatter next to it, you will get emailed something from OdooBot. It might be view a journal entry or a confirmation that a sales order you're following was signed by a customer. But you will get that notification sent to your email, and there will also be a notification here in Odoo. The other way this can be changed at a more administrative level is you have to be in debug mode. I already am, but you do come down here and you click activate developer mode. And then once you're in developer mode, you can go to all the different users within your company and change their preferences here. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.